Good evening, friends. Today we are conducting seminar on the Newton's laws of motion. Myself, Mahesh Dudanale, I will tell you about the Newton's laws of motion. First of all, I would like to describe the Newton's first law. First law of motion, it is the law of inertia. Inertia means every body which is in state of rest or state of uniform motion in a straight line will resist a change in state of motion. Means there are three types of inertia: inertia of motion, inertia of direction, and inertia of rest. First of all, I would like to describe the inertia of rest. It means that if any object is in the state of rest or state of it will resist to change its direction or change it or come into motion. If we are sitting in a bus which is at rest and if this bus starts suddenly, then we will tend to move backward. This is an example of inertia of rest. Second, it is the inertia of direction. It means that the body which is moving with uniform motion in a straight line will resist to stop or to change its direction. For example, if we are sitting in a bus and this bus is moving with a high velocity, if the driver applies brakes and stops the bus suddenly, we will tend to fall forward. And this at last is inertia of direction. It means that every object will resist to change its direction. For example, if the bus in which we are sitting is moving with a high velocity and driver and the engine forces to change the direction of bus, then we will tend to be turned to opposite side. And the second law of motion is the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of force. In order to understand this law, we have to first know what is momentum. Momentum is the product of any object's mass and velocity. If the object has high mass and it is moving with a slow velocity, it will also have a large momentum. But an object which is moving with high velocity but have a less mass, it will have a lesser momentum. Therefore, a truck moving with a slow velocity like 5 meters per second will can also kill a person which is standing in its path, and a man which is moving with the velocity of 7 meters per second cannot push that truck. Force is the rate of change of momentum in force. The rate of change of momentum in force. Force is, if we take that, the final momentum and initial momentum and the change in momentum. The momentum will be final momentum minus initial momentum, and it is equal to mass into velocity and mass into final velocity and mass into initial velocity. And the rate of change of momentum means that mass into final momentum velocity and mass into initial acceleration divided by time. It is used that mass into V minus U upon T, and we all know that V minus U upon T is acceleration. Therefore, we can take that force is equal to mass into acceleration. And for example of this second law of motion, we can we see on television or in practical situations that in a high jump competition, the player will fall on the stand bed or cushion. It is because if he falls on the cushion or the stand bed, it will increase his time to decrease his velocity, and hence the acceleration will be decreased. Time will increase. Then the force will also become small, and the athlete will not be get injured. The third law of motion is to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction, and the both acting force and reacting force will act on different bodies. We can while swimming, our hands and feet take the force on water, and the water is the equal force on our body. Therefore, we can swim in water. And last, it is Newton's universal law of gravitation. It is the universal law of gravitation is everybody in the universe attracts each other with the force which is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional with the square of distance between them. We can say that if these are the two objects, and this force acts between the centers of the two objects, and if this object has mass m1 and this object has mass m2, then this distance is k. According to the universal law of gravitation, we can say that the force due to gravity is mass is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. And here we have to take G because it is a universal gravitational constant, and its value was founded by a very sensitive balance. It is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. Value of universal gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Minus 11. Thank you and good night.